Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi 11T, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the portable hotspot. And to get started, you want to pull down your toggles from the right upper side, as you can see me do right now, and then look for the toggle for our hotspot. So it's right here for me. Once you find it, you can simply hold it. This will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize the hotspot. So select set up portable hotspot, and I would recommend you to start off with the password, because as you can see, this password is not very user friendly. So I'm gonna remove this one and set my own. Now, the new password does need to have 8 characters in length. There we go. And from here you can basically save it if that's all you want to change. Additionally, you can also change the SSID. This is just the name of the Wi-Fi that this will create, or you can keep it as it is. All you need to do is just simply look for this name in the list of the accessible Wi-Fis. Then below that we have AP band, so we have a choice between 2.4 and 5 gigahertz. And now, if you're not sure what your device supports, what I would recommend you to do is select 5 gigahertz, because it's going to be faster and more stable. And the downside is if the device doesn't support it, you just simply won't see the hotspot that you have created. And if that is the case, then simple fix would be going back into the settings and changing it back to 2.4. But the benefit is, in my opinion, worth the hassle to check it out. And hide the SSID. I would recommend you to keep this off, otherwise it will basically hide the network and it won't be easily accessible through the list. So you'll literally need to provide all the information in like the section where you have add a network. So anyway, once you have changed everything to your liking, select the check mark to save it, and from here you can now toggle it on whenever you want to use it by tapping on it, like so. Now additionally, once you're done with your hotspot, do remember to turn it off by simply tapping on it again, because the hotspot does consume more battery on your device, and additionally I believe it uses the Wi-Fi antennas, so you will be restricted to only mobile network as long as you're using hotspot. So anyway, that is how you would set it up and use it. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.